As simple as it may seem to do, very few people brush their teeth as well as they can. Thankfully, where there are mistakes, there are ways to fix them. Here's what you need to know about brushing your teeth. Stay tuned to parshealthtv. Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Number 10. You picked the wrong brush. How can you make a decision among the dizzying array of brushes at your neighborhood supermarket? A Farmington, Minnesota, dentist named Kimberly Harms advises making sure your brush can reach all the necessary areas. You should be able to clean anything in that area with a toothbrush. Either a manual or an electric toothbrush is acceptable. But one rule, according to Harms, cannot be altered. The one that we really insist upon, which is very important, is that it has gentle bristles. To get under that gum, the bristles need to be able to bend. Additionally, the brush's head size is crucial, mainly if your mouth is smaller than average. Additionally, brushes' handles come in various sizes and angles. Some are more flexible than others. Number 9. You go to town on your teeth. Brushing more forcefully is not always better. I believe that one of the main problems people have is trying to brush their teeth too vigorously. According to Matt Messina, a dentist from Fairview Park, Ohio, they feel that if they don't really be hard on the teeth like they're trying to clean the grout in their bathroom tile. You don't need to clean hard because the plaque is soft and loose, according to Messina. Removing the mental issue of scrubbing and replacing it with the word massage is the greatest way to fix this. Number 8. You hold on too long. Once you've found one, it can be challenging to part with a decent toothbrush. However, it's time to throw away the brush when you notice bristle changes, such as when they are dirty looking, discolored, or bent. If the bristles become frayed, it loses effectiveness. So, change it out at least every 3 to 4 months. Also, it's a good idea to keep your brush to yourself. Keep it outside to prevent bacteria or mold from forming on it when it gets wet. Number 7. You forget the gum line. Where your tooth and gum contact, bacteria frequently gather. We really miss that region. Where your tooth protrudes beyond your gum, there is about 1 millimeter of gum tissue. You want to kind of go under there, just about 1 millimeter, maybe 2 or 3 millimeters, right under the gum, advises Harms. Therefore, the bristle needs to be flexible. It turns out that cleaning your teeth entails covering the entire tooth. Or, at least, everything that your brush can reach, including the area immediately beneath the gums. Hans Malmstrom, a dentist in Rochester, New York, claims that we spend more time on the chewing surface, and we don't actually go down on the gum line. That's one of the most frequent mistakes. They don't brush along the gum line. Number 6. You go in too soon. Sprinting to the bathroom after you finish a meal can be tempting to get rid of the leftovers. This is preferable to not brushing at all. Maharishi, however, advises you to take a small step back. He claims that you're employing abrasives when the acid in your mouth is still present. So, in a sense, you're assisting the acid in wearing down your tooth. How long should you hold off, though? Maharishi says 15 to 20 minutes. That gives your mouth's saliva enough time to neutralize the acid before you dive in. Before you brush, he suggests you rinse out your mouth with some water to get rid of some of the acids. When you brush right after eating, the acid in your saliva, which has increased after eating, rubs deeper into the enamel of your teeth. Before brushing your teeth, the ADA advises waiting 60 minutes after eating or drinking. While you wait to brush your teeth, you can sip water or chew sugar-free. Number 5. Storing toothbrush improperly. You are most likely to be one of the many individuals who keep their toothbrushes in the bathroom next to the toilet. When you flush the toilet bowl's contents splash everywhere, including on your toothbrush. Keep your toothbrush out of the bathroom. Think about keeping your toothbrush on your nightstand or medicine cabinet. Do not store the toothbrush in an airtight container, as this can hasten the growth of bacteria. Number 4. Skipping the floss. Even though everyone's least favorite step in their dental practice is flossing, it is necessary. Plaque, food particles, and bacteria that can stay between teeth even after brushing them are removed by flossing. Besides, flossing aids in removing debris from your gum line that could otherwise result in inflammation, redness, and swelling. Number 3. Avoiding your tongue. Many people neglect to or never brush their tongues, although this is a crucial step in maintaining good dental health. It eliminates accumulated microorganisms and stops bad breath. Tongue cleaning is made simple by a tongue cleaner on many toothbrushes' sides that is not the bristle side. For deeper cleaning, you can also spend money on a tongue scraper. Number 2. Incorrect brushing. Too much pressure or an incorrect angle when brushing your teeth might harm their health. The American Dental Association, ADA, recommends brushing your teeth at a 45-degree angle and using brief, tooth-wide strokes. Then, using the same technique, clean the teeth's surface areas. Finally, brush the interior of the front teeth by tilting the brush vertically and moving it up and down. Number 1. Frequently brushing. It's just as awful to brush too much as not enough. Too much scraping on your teeth might harm your gums and teeth. Consistently doing this can lead to sensitive teeth and other dental problems. An electric toothbrush that can sense how hard you are brushing would help you a lot. If you enjoy the video, remember to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.